In this video, we will learn how to reset your WordPress site in seconds. In this whole process, we will learn about the WP Reset WordPress plugin and all the services it provides. You will also know why you need this plugin for your daily work, also in critical situations when your website is broken and you cannot log into WP Admin. This plugin really plays a very good role as a lifesaver. To reset your website, let's install the WordPress plugin. Search WP Reset. Install and activate it. Go to the Tools setting. Here you will see many functions. Also under the Tools section, all types of WordPress reset can be done. We will explain all of them. Just keep watching. Another important feature you definitely want to have is an emergency recovery script. What it is and how it will help you, I will show you the live method during this video. Let's do our first task. It is Site Reset. If you want to see your website totally fresh, like no plugin or theme is activated, then unmark all. Then write Reset and click on Reset Site. Yes, the website is fresh. All plugin is deactivated, you can delete them as you wish. Let's see other amazing features of the WP Reset plugin. By the way, I have the premium license key, which I will activate here now, so that all the free and paid tools can be used during this video. Also, a special WP Reset premium license giveaway for you. Just check the video description and follow the instructions. 3 lucky persons will get the premium license from WP Reset. Our license is activated. Download the Pro plugin from here and upload it. Replace with the Pro package. Go to the plugin settings. So you already know there are 3 main reset tools available in the WP Reset plugin: Options Reset, Site Reset, and Nuclear Reset. Each tool serves a different purpose and varies in how much of your site it resets. Let's understand these differences. Options Reset is useful when you only want to reset settings like themes, widgets, and plugin configurations back to their default values. This tool does not affect your content, so your posts, pages, and media files will remain untouched. It's ideal for small tweaks or testing because you can also choose to reactivate your theme and plugins after the reset. Site Reset goes a step further by resetting more of the site settings, including widgets, transients, and deactivating plugins. However, it still preserves your content such as posts, pages, and media files. When you perform a site reset, basic WordPress settings like the site title and URL will revert to their original state. You'll need to confirm the action by typing reset in the field, which helps avoid accidental resets. It's also a good idea to create a snapshot before resetting, so you can revert back if needed. The most powerful option is the Nuclear Reset. This tool completely wipes out everything on your WordPress site, including custom tables, plugin files, themes, and even uploads. It's the ultimate choice when you need a completely fresh start or want to clear out all data and settings. Unlike the other 2 options, the Nuclear Reset modifies both files and the database, and once it's done, there's no going back. So, always ensure you have a backup before using this feature. Let's jump to WP Reset Tools section. As you can see, the first section we come across is the index of tools. This gives us quick access to all the tools WP Reset provides. Here, you can perform tasks like deleting theme options, resetting user roles, purging the cache, and much more. Some of these tools are free, while others are marked as Pro, meaning you'll need the premium version to access them. Let's start with the Reset Theme Options section. This tool resets all theme settings back to their default state. It's important to note that this doesn't modify the files or the database, it simply resets any customization you've made to the active theme. Before you use it, I recommend creating a snapshot, which you can do with this button here, in case you want to roll back to your current settings. Next up is Delete Transients. Transients are temporary cache data stored in your database to improve site performance. This option lets you delete expired or orphaned transients, which can help speed up your site. It doesn't affect any files or database entries besides these cache data. Now, we have the Purge Cache option. This tool removes all cache data from various plugins such as WP Super Cache, Lightspeed Cache, and others. Like before, no file or database changes, just removing cache to free up space and improve site performance. Next is Delete Local Data. This feature deletes locally stored data such as cookies and session storage. One important point here is that if you're logged in, deleting local data could log you out, but no files or database records are affected. Moving down, we have the Reset User Roles option, which is part of the Pro version. This resets all user roles to their default state. Custom roles will be deleted, and if you've assigned users to those roles, you'll need to reassign them manually. Again, no database changes, just the role settings being reset. Let's scroll down to the Delete Content section. This feature, which is available in the Pro version, allows you to delete specific content types like posts, pages, comments, and more. You can select the exact content types you want to delete, and it won't touch any files or the database outside of what you choose here. Next, we have the Delete Widgets option, again part of the Pro version. This one deletes all active widgets and resets the widget areas to default. If you've heavily customized your widgets, be cautious when using this tool. Next, we have Clean Uploads folder, which removes files from your Uploads folder except for specific folders. If you're running low on space or have a lot of unused media, this tool can help. Another Pro feature is Switch WP version, which allows you to switch between WordPress versions. Whether you want to roll back to an older version or upgrade to the latest, this tool gives you that flexibility. You can select the version and click on this switch button to do this. Lastly, we have the Delete.htaccess file option. This deletes the .htaccess file, which controls things like permalinks and security settings. WordPress will automatically generate a new one. And that wraps up the overview of WP Reset's plugin page. Each tool has its purpose and can save you time and effort in managing or resetting your WordPress site. If you're using the Pro version, remember to always create snapshots before making any major changes, so you can revert if something goes wrong. Now, let's talk about what snapshots are. A snapshot is basically a copy of all the WordPress database tables. This includes both standard tables that come with WordPress and custom ones created by plugins or themes. Snapshots are mostly used during development. For example, if you're about to make some changes to a plugin, you can create a snapshot first. That way, if something goes wrong, you can restore the site to how it was before you made the changes. Restoring a snapshot only affects the database and won't change your WP reset settings or other snapshots. In the User-Created Snapshots section, you can manually create snapshots whenever you need. You'll see the date, description, and size of each snapshot. There's also an Actions button where you can restore, download, or delete snapshots. For instance, here's a snapshot created 6 seconds ago. It saves 12 core tables and is about 2.1 megabytes in size. Let me install a plugin and see the changes you see in the snapshot. Let's install the Yoast SEO plugin. After activating, I will check the snapshot. Look, an automated snapshot is saved just because I installed a new plugin. This is created so that we prevent database errors. Let's compare the last backup with the current database. See, all the changes are shown. In the collection section, you can add a group of plugins and themes. Whenever a new website you create, sometimes you manually install all the necessary plugins. You can add them in collections by searching the name or uploading manually. So, if you add those most used collections, then you can install them to your website in a single click. That is a cool feature. Especially, if you are a web developer, then this will be very helpful. You can upload the snapshots and backups directly to your cloud storage. You can check the settings as your preference. You can do some debug-related settings here. Under the support section, you will find one of the most necessary emergency recovery scripts. Suppose anyhow your website is broken or faced a fatal error, and you cannot log in to your website. Urgently, you need to disable any specific plugin or theme. Let me show you how it really works. Here you will see a PHP file is created, also a password is given. Let's open the PHP file. You will get all the access to the WP admin dashboard, even in an easier way. You can easily deactivate or activate the plugin. Also, you will get the website or server info from here. By the way, this URL and password is very important for your website. Never share these with someone else. Keep it saved in a secure place. If you still have any queries, then you will also can contact WP Reset developers for the solution. So, this is the video on how to reset your WordPress website with the WP Reset WordPress plugin. If you have any questions, then ask me in the comments section. Also, don't forget to join the giveaway program.